Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today we're going to be doing some meal prep. We're going to do some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, grilled and seasoned to perfection. This is really good to have on hand because you can eat them standalone in a salad or wrap. Really versatile. So first things first, I have about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless thighs here that I've washed. I didn't trim a lot, but I did wash them very well. I have some zesty Italian just to kind of help with the distributing my seasoning. Some lemon pepper seasoning, barbecue rub, and ground turmeric. Now we're going to put about 2 teaspoons of turmeric in here. Turmeric has really good health benefits, especially with inflammation, but it's also going to help give it this color and a nice earthy flavor to our chicken. We're going to go in heavy with the next 2 seasonings, which is the lemon pepper stepper. I got this from Walmart. This is Sid and Anthony Anderson's seasoning line. It's really good and really heavy with our barbecue rub, and I mean heavy with the barbecue rub. It's very low in sodium, so you can go heavy with it and not have to really worry about it. And again, the zesty Italian is just kind of to help distribute the seasonings through the meat, as well as slightly marinated some. And let's give it a good mix, and we're going to let it sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours. And once you got it all seasoned, you can see how it looks. Again, we're just going to cover that up and put it in the fridge for a couple hours. All right, so you can see how that seasoning is set up on that chicken really well. Now it's time for us to go ahead and get started grilling. And we're just using our gas grill today. Really convenient, but it's going to give us that nice char that we're looking for as well. And if you don't have a gas grill, charcoal grill will definitely work. Probably better, tastes better, but this is going to be great. All right, guys, so we've had our chicken going now for about 6 or 7 minutes. Just going to go ahead and give it a nice little flip. You can see how good it looks. It's starting to caramelize really well. Another thing about thighs as opposed to breast, it's hard to dry out a chicken thigh unless you just really overcook it. So you can really go, pretty hard with these chicken thighs, and they'll still be nice and juicy and flavorful for you. So I'm just going to continue to flip my chicken over and let it go another 5 or 6 on that side, but you just kind of cook it to your temperature or to your desire as long as it reaches 165. And here's a little bird's eye view. Just listen to that sizzle. All right, so after about 15 minutes of cooking on high heat, we're ready to pull them off, and you have your meals for the week. I guarantee you'll enjoy it. Full of flavor, delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Till the next time, God bless. We'll catch you on the next one.